All right, now that our channel's created, you want to make sure you got the correct channel selected. It'll show your logo up here, and then you'll see this. Click on Customize Channel, and then you will go in here, and we'll show how to do a banner image. I already went ahead and ChatGPT and had it help me write a little bit of content for my YouTube channel. You can kind of see it tried to create a banner image here. I had to redo it a couple times, tell it to match the business branding colors here, so I changed that, and then I told it kind of what to put there in the bottom. So you can use ChatGPT to kind of help you a little bit. So we'll go ahead here and we'll upload our banner image that we already created. So there's that, and then we have our profile picture here that we created already, also with ChatGPT. Just going to upload that, click done. We'll leave that. Oh, description. We also went ahead and did that already. We use ChatGPT up here to just give us a general kind of overview of what that is. Save it. This is where you would put your website URL. We'll add ours and add that later. So we'll save that. That's pretty much it. Then we'll hit publish. And now we should see those changes when we go to the view the channel. There, we're going to show how to set some of the default settings for your video. You can come in here. We're going to do states, select that, defaults. So we kind of have a template that we're going to use here. Business name plus service name. So all videos that we upload will start with this, and we'll just fill it in with the actual business name. And then here's a little bit of information that we're going to have generic for description for any videos that we upload. That's not our URL, so we'll have to update that. Visibility, we'll do unlisted for those. And so those are just the defaults for uploads we're going to use. Click save. Now when we upload a video, it'll show those items there. Go to our channel here. Now it looks like it's uploaded the logo and information there. So that is just our, we'll have to probably adjust a little bit. So you can see that the ChatGPT banner here, video hosting for client projects by Waterman Design, is not showing. So we'll have to edit the size a little bit and change the font. If you like this video, let us know in the comments below or other things you want to see for creating your YouTube channel. That's all we got today. Thanks.